Jubilation over the board exam results of City Montessori School was subdued in COVID time, even though CMS students have yet again justified quality achieved in large quantity. A total of 3,391 CMS pupils of ICSE and ISC, that is 53.97% of the total of 6,282 board exam takers of CMS in March 2020, got an aggregate mark of 90% to 99.75%. Sumit Kumar Tripathi in the ISC secured 99.75%, while Astha in ICSE section secured 99.40%. In ISC, total of 2,803 students appeared from CMS campuses, out of which 1,466 students got an aggregate mark of 90% to 99.75%. In ICSE, total of 3,479 students appeared from CMS campuses, out of which 1,925 students got an aggregate mark of 90% to 99.40%. Strive for knowledge, not spot in merit list, was the mantra followed by CMS ISC topper Sumit Kumar Tripathi of CMS Gomti Nagar Campus 1 from Biology and Biotechnology stream.
Tripathi of City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar Campus 1 scored a whopping 99.75%. Unbelievable. Heartiest congratulations, Sumit.
Thank you very much.
The results have been delayed, and what did you expect? Did your spirits go down? Did the enthusiasm wane with time, with passing time?
Yes, a little bit. I was like, okay, the results will be out now. It's not that big of a deal because it's like the coronavirus, so it might not be that big of a deal.
You must have been studying really hard for this.
To be honest, I was not. I was really not studying harder for that much for it.
You mean to say it's been your way of life all through the schooling, that study, whatever has been taught, etc., etc.?
I want to score marks. I was like, I have to gain the knowledge that is in here, not strive for the marks.
So you wanted to learn hard, learn whatever was there available to learn for a class 12 student. In the aftermath, you end up scoring 99.75.
I guess so.
Brilliant. So what do you look forward to now?
Well, I look forward to pursuing my studies abroad, most probably in physics, especially in physics.
And the strongest support system back in your campus?
The teachers, definitely the teachers. Yes.
What about the role of the captain of the campus, your principal?
Very much. She motivated us a lot, and she was very helpful in making us, she was very helpful. She was giving us extra classes, even she stayed and the teachers stayed to make sure that all our doubts were cleared. Yes, so it really helped a lot.
Thank you so much, Sumit. And my wait is over now. I could finally find Astha, the ICSE topper of City Montessori School 2019-2020 from Rajajipuram campus. Welcome, Astha.
Thank you, ma'am.
You secured 99.4%.
Yes, ma'am.
You have been working for a long time for this.
Yeah, of course. And everybody else was working for me. That is the biggest thing.
Okay. Tell me the story.
Since I was in 8th, my principal ma'am used to promote me that and encourage that I should always be where I can, get everything that I can deserve. And there's a quote by Thomas Alva Edison that if we did everything that we were capable of, we would literally astound ourselves. And that is one thing that I always find encouraging for myself, trying to do everything that I could to achieve everything that I wanted.
Beautifully put, I would say. So how are teachers encouraging you? Like you said, everybody else was also working for me as I was working.
Yeah, my parents, they supported me. They took care that I never wasted my time, and they took care that not a single moment was wasted in things which they could help out with me with. And my teachers were always guiding me in my class, and even outside classes, if I needed help, any kind of help, they were there for helping me. So it's like everybody was helping me all through this year.
आस्था की ऐसे ही मार्क्स हमेशा आते थे हर क्लास में, पहले भी बोर्ड से पहले भी?
जी, नर्सरी से ही हमेशा क्लास में फर्स्ट आई हैं जी।
सीएमएस में ही पढ़ी हैं हमेशा?
सीएमएस में ही पढ़ी हैं।
स्कूल स्कूल ने कैसे इनको सपोर्ट किया? आपको लगता है स्कूल का भी कोई योगदान है इसमें?
हाँ, पूरा योगदान स्कूल का ही है। हम लोग तो मतलब घर से बस खाली स्कूल भेजते हैं और मॉनिटरिंग करते हैं, लेकिन बच्चा तो स्कूल में ही इनके टीचर्स ने इनको ऐसा बनाया है। जो कुछ सिखाया है टीचर्स ने सिखाया है।
आप कितना मानती हैं कि घर का योगदान है और कितना स्कूल का और कितना बच्चे का स्वयं का?
नहीं, ऐसा है क्योंकि इनके टीचर्स ने इनको शुरू से, जैसे इन्होंने बताया कि वो फ्रॉम द क्लास फर्स्ट वो हमेशा टॉपर रही, तो फर्स्ट क्लास से इसकी जो टीचर्स थी इसके अंदर उस कैपेबिलिटीज़ को जानती थी, उसको उस तरह से नर्चर किया कि इसको किस तरीके से हमें आगे ले आना। और क्लास 8 से 9th में जैसे ही वो गई, वो टीचर्स ने इसको प्रोजेक्ट किया कि इसको हमें नेशनल टॉपर पे ले जाना है। ये कुछ जो ये कोविड का वो हुआ उससे कुछ तो बच्चों को परेशानी आई, थोड़ा असमंजस की स्थिति थी, लेकिन उसमें भी इन लोगों ने अच्छा प्रयास किया और पढ़ने के लिए कहना नहीं पड़ता उनको, उनकी निगाह में हमेशा रहा कि हमें नेशनल टॉपर बनना है, तो वो प्रयास करती रही और करती ही रहेंगी। और इस घर का भी योगदान ये था कि हमने इनको देखा बार बार टीचर्स क्या कह रहे हैं और हमें कुछ ज़्यादा बहुत मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी इनके साथ, ये पढ़ती रहती हैं।
There is a motivating quote that hard work is like the ladder and luck is like a lift. Even if the lift fails, the ladder will always take you to the threshold. So we should never underestimate the power of hard work and always keep on working hard towards our goal. And if we at times feel demotivated, we should always look for inspiration around ourselves. Thank you.
CMS Media brings to you the first-hand response of the successful CMS students, and it revealed that regular studies with timely revision and mock test practice is the key to success.
मेरा नाम खुशी वर्मा है, मेरे 99.25% आए हैं एंड मैं अपने इस सक्सेस का क्रेडिट अपने पेरेंट्स एंड टीचर्स को देना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज मेरे टीचर्स भी हमेशा साथ में रहे मेरी हेल्प करने के लिए। जब भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती थी, टीचर्स आर ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प मी। पेरेंट्स की गाइडेंस के बिना भी कुछ नहीं हो पाता। एंड यस, मैं कहूँगी हार्ड वर्क इज एक्चुअली द की टू सक्सेस। बिना हार्ड वर्क के कुछ नहीं होता एंड वी शुड ऑल्सो हैव फेथ इन गॉड, दैट्स ऑल्सो इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट। मेरा नाम अजीबा आदिल है एंड आई हैव सिक्योर्ड 99.25% इन 12th बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन। And the credit I want to give my credit to my parents, my teachers, and my class teacher especially, Harish sir, he was very supportive, and I want to become a doctor.
मेरा नाम प्रकाश मनोहर है, मैं राजेंद्र नगर ब्रांच से हूँ। मेरे ICSE बोर्ड में 99% आए और मैं होल हार्टेडली पूरे दिल से अपने पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स को क्रेडिट देना चाहता हूँ।
मेरा नाम नंदिनी छपरा है, मैं CMS गोपना कैंपस 1 की छात्रा हूँ और ICSE में मेरे 99.2% आए हैं। मैं अपने टीचर्स को, स्पेशली मेरी जो इंग्लिश की टीचर है मिस मेघना कोहली, मेरी केमिस्ट्री की टीचर मिसेस मीजा मिश्रा और मेरे जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं सबके टीचर्स को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। उनके बिना तो मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती थी। और मेरे माता पिता श्री सुरेश कुमार छपरा और श्रीमती नीति छपरा, उनका भी बहुत योगदान है।
मेरा नाम संदिका श्रीवास्तव है, मैं महानगर कैंपस की स्टूडेंट हूँ। मेरे 99.25% आए हैं और सारा क्रेडिट टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल मैम नेमली कल्पना त्रिपाठी एंड माई पेरेंट्स।
जय जगत, मेरा नाम सुश्री यादव है और मैं कक्षा 12 की छात्रा हूँ। मैंने ISC में 99.25% स्कोर किया है और मैं अपने स्कूल के लिए अपने स्कूल और अपने पेरेंट्स को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ।
मेरा नाम ओजस्वी प्रकाश है और मैं क्लास 10 के एग्ज़ाम में मेरे 99.2% आए हैं और सर क्रेडिट मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को देना चाहूँगा, अपने पूरे परिवार को और अपने सारे टीचर्स को और स्कूल को। मेरा नाम प्रखर मणि त्रिपाठी है और मेरे ISC 12th में 99.25% आए हैं। इस सक्सेस के लिए मैं अपना क्रेडिट पूरा माता पिता और अपने टीचर्स को देना चाहता हूँ और खासकर प्रिंसिपल मैम को भी। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद कैफ है और मेरे ICSE बोर्ड में 99% आए हैं और मैंने बहुत पढ़ाई भी की है और मैं अपने टीचर्स को और अपनी फैमिली को इस सक्सेस में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल मानता हूँ।
Rajajipuram campus has done us proud with Rukhsar topping with 99.5% in ISC. Congratulations, Rukhsar.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You have your entire family to join you here in celebration.
Yes, ma'am, they are very happy.
So whose role is most important, do you think?
The role of my teachers and my principal is the most important, and then comes my family. They all have been very supportive. My father, my mother, my grandfather, they all showed immense interest in my studies since I was a child, and it's the result of hard work of all these years. And then my teacher guardian, Mr. Anurag Bhushan, and the principal, they were tremendously supportive, and they motivated me a lot. They inspired me, they encouraged me.
What special does your school give you to come out with flying colors like this? We have many toppers coming out in each session, each class, each campus.
The teachers are very dedicated. They conduct remedial classes. They conduct ISOR classes for the students who top in pre-boards and comparative examinations, and that really helps.
We are really proud of her. मेरी बेटी मेरा अभिमान है और सबकी एक तमन्ना होती है कि बच्चों के नाम से फादर जाना जाए। मैं खुद सर्जन हूँ और अपने फील्ड में ऊपर वाले के गरम से ठीक ठाक काम करता हूँ, लेकिन ये खुशी एक अलग ही है।
मैं भी बहुत खुश हूँ इनके अचीवमेंट से, क्योंकि आज मतलब पहली बार इस तरह से मतलब प्रेस के सामने खड़े होके बोलना और इस तरह से करना लाइफ में ये पहला मोमेंट है, एंड इट इज अनफॉरगेटेबल मोमेंट।
बधाई आपको इसके लिए। आप रुखसार के दादाजी।
आई एम हर ग्रैंडफादर और हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं। काफ़ी मेहनत किया इन्होंने और आज ये ऐसा मौका आया है कि हम लोग आपसे मतलब इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं। हम लोग सभी पूरे परिवार बहुत खुश हैं।
Khushi Verma, 99.25 ISC, City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar Campus 1. I just cannot remember how many times I've met Khushi and interviewed her for her very many accomplishments. I can't even count them. Khushi will do the needful for me.
Yeah, I guess first time we met after the class 8 comparatives result. There I was the interbranch topper, so I remember that you interviewed me at my home. And then after that in class 10, first comparative as well as second comparative, I was the interbranch topper. So again we had a meeting, and now it is this time in class 12 I boards result.
And we must have done some kind of introduction even after your class 10th final examination.
Yeah, I just forgot to mention class 10 boards. Yeah, I secured 98.6% in my class 10 board examinations, and there also we met.
We did a brief recording with you.
Yeah, we met.
Okay, wow. Okay, all right. Some real hard-working child over here, this Khushi Verma, and some real accomplishment, I would say. So you have been like this since you were a child, a young school-going girl.
I guess when I was a child also I used to be so dedicated towards studies, but yeah, like I remember that class 6 onwards I've been securing first position in my class, and the other results as I have just mentioned, the major ones like boards and comparatives. And recently in my JEE mains examinations I secured 99.56 percentile. And now I'm waiting for JEE Advanced.
And we see you going even higher. All the best. Let me talk to your parents.
I am Gopalji Verma, father of Khushi Verma. And I just want to say a thing. It's a very big gift from God's side that I am getting this opportunity again and again to face such type of interviews. And she is doing very well. I will always pray for my daughter. And all the best, daughter Khushi Beta. All the best, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. आप बताइए, आपसे भी बहुत बार मुलाकात हुई खुशी के चलते, इनकी बहुत सारे एग्जामिनेशंस में टॉप किया इन्होंने। आगे आप क्या देख रही हैं इनके?
आगे इन फ्यूचर में मैं देख रही हूँ खुशी का फ्यूचर मुझे बिल्कुल ब्राइट दिख रहा है। डेफिनेटली देयर इज़ नो डाउट अबाउट खुशी, एंड मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा अचीव करेगी और जो उसका मतलब वो चाहती है करना, वो खुद ही बताएगी क्या करना चाहती है, वो करेगी। डेफिनेटली शी विल फाइंड इट।
ऑल द बेस्ट खुशी, एंड वी ऑल सी यू गोइंग प्लेसेस फ्रॉम हियर। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Kashika Chaudhary, class 10th.
How much did you achieve? How much did you secure?
99.2%.
9.25%? And you are contented with that?
Yes, ma'am. It's more than expectations.
What has been your how are your marks distributed over your subjects, different subjects?
Okay, it's 96 in English, and test all is 100 except 99 in science.
Rest all is 100. How does one go ahead securing just 100? I mean, a real 100, a total figure 100.
Okay, it's just hard work. Not
Hard work?
only my hard work, but the hard work of my teachers, my parents, and everyone included in that.
Prakash Manohar walks up to me and tells me that he has secured a very good percentage, and I said, yes, I would love to speak with you on camera.
No, Rajendra Nagar Campus 1.
And what's your percentage?
99%.
In ICSE?
Yes, ICC.
So what was the journey like, Prakash?
Journey was like, I was really anxious, but gradually and slowly as the days passed, it became normal for me, and now after so many days the results came and it's really good. The time was really hard to pass.
And what were you doing in the meantime? There were lots of online classes going on back in your school.
We started with in the June month, the provisional classes for class 11. The online classes are really helpful, and
Actually, he's a sincere boy. Whatever we ask him, he obeys it, and it is all because of his efforts, and by the grace of God, he has achieved this much.
Enthusiasm of the children, the enthusiasm of students is intact, and finally the results are out. So what with a lot of delay?
It's wonderful.
The wait is worth it. The results have come out really well.
My name is Aksham Rai and I've scored 98%.
My name is Krishnangi Sekia and I've scored 98.5%.
My last paper was computer, which I finished on the 16th. And I've given all 7 of my papers.
What about you?
I wasn't able to give my one paper, which was psychology.
Look at admire the winning smile. Hi, Priyansh.
Hi, hello ma'am.
So you did your ISC.
Yes ma'am.
And what's your percentage?
98.75.
And is it that you have to miss out on a few papers because of the COVID?
No, I have completed all my papers and I've performed really well.
Result as per expectation.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, all the best. Let's talk to your father. आप क्या कहेंगे इनके success के?
She is passionate about not only in studies but also the other activities equally.
Team CMS congratulate all our students who again make us proud through their achievements.
ये एक ऐतिहासिक रिजल्ट है, पूरे हिंदुस्तान की शिक्षा के इतिहास से एक अद्भुत रिजल्ट है, और ये मैं नहीं समझता हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में कभी इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट किसी भी स्कूल का कभी भी रहा हो। तो ये आप सबके आशीर्वाद से है और हम आपके बड़े आभारी हैं कि आप बड़ी भारी तादाद में यहाँ पर आए हैं। कृपा करके टीचर की मेहनत या आपकी मेहनत या टीचर के मार्गदर्शन और माता पिता का आशीर्वाद और आपकी अपनी मेहनत।
Well done. Jai Jagat.